Bear Creek Canoe, located at Tishomingo State Park. Bear Creek is a rocky bottom stream winding through the foothills of the Appalachian Mountains. Scenic sandstone bluffs, lush greenery, a canopy of mixed hardwoods, and Class 1 rapids, along with pools in between, provide for an enjoyable and exciting trip for all ages, and also a unique experience like no other in Mississippi. The float trip at Tishomingo State Park operates daily from mid-April until mid-October, ending at the park's historic Swinging River Bridge. Plan your trip today. Visit mdwfp.com.